Did you know? By balancing chi in your house, you can invite positive changes in your life. And for this method to work, you don't need to spend a lot of money buying various Feng Shui trinkets. Rather, we will be using the Bhagwa energy map to read the chi in your space and balance it. Sounds interesting? Please stay tuned. Hello Feng Shui enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video of the Feng Shui Life Force Energy video series. As you know, Qi is the invisible life force energy around us, which has the power to transform our life. When we are living in an environment with balanced Qi, that has a profound effect on our body and mind. This is what we call good vibe. An environment with balanced Qi always promotes happiness, good health, abundance and prosperity. On the other hand, when we are living in an environment where the Qi is completely out of balance, that often leads to illness, stress, weakness and other issues in our life. Therefore, mastering the art of Qi reading and Qi balancing is very important for successful Feng Shui. Feng Shui works in different layers. In the screen, you can see a framework for Qi balancing. At the topmost layer, we have the Bhagwa energy map. When we are doing Qi balancing, we need to start from the topmost layer, balance the energy over there and then dive down for the lower layers. In this video, I will tell you 3 simple steps to balance the Qi in the topmost layer using a Bhagwa energy map. Step 1. Decide which Bhagwa palace you want to work with. Bhagwa means 8 trigrams. When you overlay a Bhagwa map on top of your floor plan, it will divide your space into 8 different palaces. Each Bhagwa palace is associated with a trigram, which in turn is associated with a specific family member, body part and more importantly, specific aspect of our life. Balancing the Qi for the whole house is indeed a daunting task. It will be easier if we do this in phases. Decide which Bhagwa palace you want to work with depending on your needs. Let us take the example of this 2-bedroom apartment. Let us assume the main breadwinner for this family is a middle-aged man. The family has been struggling with the inflation and the ever-increasing expenses. One of the family members is also suffering from hearing problem. Given all this, which Bhagwa palace should we prioritize? The answer is the North Bhagwa palace. How many of you have identified this correctly? Please post your comments below. The North Bhagwa palace represents the current life path, the quality of life right now. Therefore, in order to secure a constant flow of income, we need to balance the Qi in the North Bhagwa palace. If you are struggling to overlay your Bhagwa map on top of your floor plan, please follow the link above and watch the first video of this video series. Step 2. Read the Qi in the Bhagwa palace. As per Wu Xing, the Feng Shui 5 elements principle, any form, color, shape and texture can be correlated back to one of the 5 fundamental elements, which are fire, earth, metal, water and wood. While reading the Qi in any Bhagwa palace, carefully observe the form, color, shape and texture of all the objects present in that palace. Don't forget to consider the wall, ceiling and the flooring. Now coming back to the example of the 2-bedroom apartment, which fundamental elements do you think are predominantly present in the North Palace? Any object which is wider than it is tall contributes to the earth element. Else, if it is taller than it is wide, it contributes to the wood element. There is a bed in the North Palace which contributes to the earth element for sure. There is also one tall fitted wardrobe which contributes to the wood element. Now yellow and brown color contributes to the earth element and the teal color contributes to the wood element. Therefore, in summary we can say that predominantly we can find earth and wood elements in the north sector of this apartment. Step 3. Analyze your chi reading. Sheng cycle or Ka cycle? Once you have done with your chi reading, it is time to analyze whether the elements are in Sheng cycle or Ka cycle with respect to the Bhagwa element. When the elements are in the Sheng cycle, this promotes growth and life generating energy. On the other hand, when the elements are in Ka cycle, then that leads to decaying energy. When you find the elements are in Ka cycle with respect to the Bhagwa element, then you need to add the missing element. That transforms the Ka cycle into Sheng cycle. Let us now get back to our example. The underlying element in the North Palace is water element. Strong presence of earth element in the North Palace is actually in Ka cycle. The earth element is controlling the water element. As a result, the free flow of water element is restricted. This is not allowing the chi to flow freely. And this has a negative consequence on the overall income of the family members. The restricted chi flow is manifesting as restricted cash flow for the family. Also, strong presence of wood element is weakening the water element. As a consequence, the family members are struggling with rising expenses. Now, what elemental cure should we introduce here? We need to introduce metal elemental cure. By introducing metal element, the earth, metal, water and wood, these 4 elements will come in Sheng cycle and the chi will start to flow freely. By introducing this simple change in the environment, we can bring positive change for the family members. We may introduce a metal object or any object with circular or round shape or any object with white, grey or silver color. For example, we may introduce white and grey color fabric on the bed. The fundamental concept of Sheng and Ka cycle I have explained in one of my past videos. If you want to know more, please follow the link above. I hope you enjoyed the concept of chi reading and chi balancing with the help of Bhagwa energy map. In my next video, we will dive down to the second layer of chi balancing. I will tell you how to balance your personal chi with the help of personal lifestyle directions, also known as personal portents. If you find my videos useful, please help me grow by liking and sharing my videos. I have a number of interesting topics to share with you in my upcoming videos. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon below so that you don't miss out. If you have any questions or if you need any clarification, please post your comments below. I will be really happy to help you with Feng Shui. Please stay safe and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.